Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn off running apps on Android 13. The recent apps view by tapping the square button if using 3-button navigation, or swipe up from the bottom and hold if using gestures. To close a single app, swipe it up to the top. To close all apps, scroll to the far left and tap Clear All. You'll see no recent items, meaning all background apps have been closed. That's how you turn off running apps in Android 13. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.